We're here in my garage. You wanna know what else I love besides my car? Books. The purpose of today's video is this. So this right here is my brand new Duckbill. Shout out to my mom. I have no clue what to do about patching. Whoop, got dark. I don't know what to do about patching the holes so there's no leaks. But yeah. Without further ado, baby, let's go. Alright, so pretty much to take the stock wing off of the BRZ, you gotta get under these little things here. What'd you call these?
Like, big buttons.
Big buttons? Okay. When you get past the big buttons, there you go. That's the word I was looking for. The plugs.
There we go. That's
the word I was looking for. Oh, I just have to break it loose. That's it.
You're a fucking surgeon.
Bro, that was like a game of surgeon. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's it on that side. I'm gonna jump on that other side and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so we have all 4 screws out. You need to take this carpet out and there's some clips. So I'll do that right now. Alright, there is 2 clips and like 2 little push tabs.
For sure?
Mm-hmm.
Scared I'm gonna, oh my god. It's gonna crack it.
It'll be my fault. Push more. Yeah. Right there, right there, right there. Perfect. Right there. Stay.
Oh. There you go.
This is what it looks like without a spoiler. Just a little spot there. Alright, so we're knocking out a bunch of videos today because I have literally 3 videos that aren't even done yet. So I have the headlights that just got done because the fucking bulbs literally took forever to get here. We're working on the Duckbill today. Well, it's also today in the same video. We're working on the Duckbill now, and then I want to try to get the DIY video out as well. So I do actually need to get the center console air climate control, like fucking side little silver pieces. I need to DIY suede those. But yeah, damn, dude, so much shit to do. Alright, so I'm not sure how to really lay this. I'm gonna lay it a little away from the fucking middle here. I'm gonna pan you down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Yes, that's perfect. So we're gonna lay it along the edges. nicely, hopefully. I feel more confident about that. So we're gonna see how it goes. Just gonna make sure it's all flush, let it sit for a little bit, and then I'll be trying to install it. Got the little sanding block. I'm gonna rough up the edges. I went ahead and got some epoxy. So we're gonna use this to cover the holes. We are going to use some tape to plug the bottom of the hole so I could just put the epoxy on the top. I'm not worried about what it's gonna look like because it's gonna be covered by the duckbill. Okay, you guys are gonna hear a car in the background. I didn't get this done because it's 3%. This is 100% alcohol. I'm just gonna spray along where I'm gonna put the duckbill. Take this microfiber and clean it. Now we take some strips off of this. We're gonna 100% take off this one. We're going to slowly peel this one and bend it downwards like that. We're going to take this one, do the same thing. If I can get a corner, come on. I'll be right back after this short break. Oh, it says the battery's gonna die. Let me pull it off. Alright. That's the new duckbill. Let's fucking go. I tried to get it as close as possible. It does look pretty good. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys do like the new duckbill on my Subaru BRZ. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see your sexy asses in the next one. Peace.